Hello guys, this is Jude. In this video, I want to show you how to buy the Tenset token on Uniswap using the Trust Wallet and the Metamask Wallet app directly on your phone. The Tenset token is currently only listed on Uniswap. I have done a video on Tenset and why I think it is a fantastic project. You can check it out. The link is in the description. So without further ado, let us start with the Metamask wallet. So you open the Metamask app after you must have downloaded it. Then you must have written down your seed phrase. Now this seed phrase is the phrase you use to recover the wallet in case you lose it. So make sure you keep the seed phrase properly, because if you lose the seed phrase and something happens to your phone, you might not be able to get access into your account. So this is the Metamask wallet interface. What you need, because you're going to use Ethereum to buy Tenset, so you have to receive Ethereum into the Metamask wallet in case you don't have it. So to do that, you go to receive. This is the wallet address. You can copy it from here and take it somewhere and send Ethereum to this address, the Ethereum you want to use to purchase Tenset. Also know that you have to include extra amounts like $50 to $90 for transaction fee. Yes, transaction fee on the Ethereum network is quite high. So once you've done that, you go to these three lines at the top left corner and you click on browser. Then you can see decentralized finance. You can see decentralized exchange. You click on decentralized exchange. You scroll down and click on Uniswap. So you already have Ethereum. You can see my Ethereum balance is 0.215854 Ethereum. Then you want to swap Ethereum for Tenset. You select token. You click on select token and you type Tenset. You select this, make sure that it is the right one. Then you enter the amount you want to use to buy. Say I want to buy 0.01 or 0.2 Tenset worth, Ethereum worth of Tenset. So everything looks good. So I'm going to get 15 Tenset. I'll click on, mind you, if you look up here, I already have 33,068 Tenset. This is actually increasing because if you watch my other video, I was having 3,333, but because Tenset actually reward its users with anybody holding Tenset in your, if you're holding Tenset in your account, it actually increases because you're receiving dividend. This will keep increasing. So if I want to buy now, I'll click on swap. Okay, everything looks good. I click on confirm swap. Now it's going to say this transaction cannot succeed due to error undefined. I know it's going to say this, and I'll tell you the reason why it say this. It's because of the slippage setting. Now to rectify this, I click on the gear icon here, this gear icon, and I'm going to adjust the slippage. So the slippage currently is on 0.5. I'm going to change it to 3. And that does it. So the slippage tolerance now is 3. Now I can click on swap. Confirm. So yes, it's bringing me the summary. So my balance, Ethereum balance, is about $41, and my transaction fee, or the network fee needed, is about 0.2775. I can actually edit this by clicking edit. If I select slow, I'll pay $55 in transaction fee, but it's going to be really slow. It might take some time before it confirms. But on this wallet, I don't have enough Ethereum, so I'm not going to buy Tenset using Metamask. But if you want to use Metamask, this is exactly how you use Metamask to buy Tenset. So I'm going to show you how you buy it using the Trust Wallet. I actually have some good Ethereum in Trust Wallet. So I go back and click on Trust Wallet. The same thing, if you don't have a Trust Wallet app, you can download it from the Play Store. And when you download it, you also have to write down your seed phrase and keep it safe, because that is what you will use to recover your wallet in case you lose it. It is very, very important that you keep your seed phrase safe. If you lose your seed phrase, it's as good as you have lost all the funds you have in that wallet. So you can see I have about $857 worth of Ethereum. That is 0.413205 Ethereum here. So to buy Tenset here, I click on the bottom menu, I click on dApps. Then I already have Uniswap here. You can, if I go down to popular exchanges, you see Uniswap exchange. But in case you don't see this here, you go to this search or enter website and you type app.uniswap.org. So this is going to load up and bring you straight to the Uniswap interface. So it's already in Ethereum. I select the token I want now and type Tenset. I click on that. Then I enter the number of. There's something I want to show you before we proceed. To be sure that you are buying Tenset, that is not a fake Tenset you're buying. Here, where they say select token, you can actually confirm by going to coingecko.com and type Tenset there. No, this is not Tenset. So in this search bar in CoinGecko, I want to type Tenset. Now this is Tenset's contract address. So where they wrote contract, you copy that. Then I'm going to go back to Trust Wallet. Then I can paste that here. It will still bring Tenset forward. Okay, this is actually a way to confirm that you're actually buying the correct Tenset in case there is a fake in the Uniswap site. But this is good, and you can also go to get the contract address from the Tenset website, tenset.io. So I want to buy 0.3 Ethereum worth of Tenset. I want to use like 3/4 of my portfolio to buy Tenset. So this is good. I click on, so I'm getting 229 Tensets. So I click on swap. Then I click on confirm swap. It says the transaction cannot succeed due to error. Now, this is because of the slippage as well. So I have to go up here to the gear icon again and adjust the slippage to 3. Now, if I adjust the slippage to 3 and it doesn't still go, I'll come here again and adjust it to 4. So I click on swap. Okay, price has been updated. I click on accept and I click on swap. Now I'm going to pay $68 worth of Ethereum in network fee. Like I said, Ethereum fees are quite high, and to get this to be down, it means that you have to buy at a time where when the network is not congested. So this is it. I don't think there's a way for you to adjust the fees on the Ethereum network on the Trust Wallet, just the way it is on Metamask. So here I click on approve. So transaction here has been submitted. I can view this on Etherscan. So it is successful. I have one block confirmation. Okay, so I can go back to my wallet now. So the question is, how do I view my Tenset, the Tenset that I now have in my wallet? So to do that, I go back to CoinGecko to get some information. So I go back to Trust Wallet and go to okay, so I have Tenset here actually. I have it down here. So here I have 224 Tensets on my wallet now. What I wanted to do was actually, when I went to CoinGecko, was to add was to come to dApps, or was to come here and actually add a custom token, but the token is already on the Trust wallet. So this is how you buy Tenset on Metamask and Trust wallets. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to get notification when we release awesome videos like this. That said, I will see you in the next video.